Hey, welcome to my channel where I share with you the best tips and tricks to make money online. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you a secret email system that can help you build a seven-figure online business using nothing but ethical email marketing. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, keep watching because I'm going to show you how this system works, what are the benefits, and how you can get access to it today. The Secret Email System is a new book by Matt Bakak, who is a veteran online marketer and a multiple award-winning email marketer. He has been in the industry for over 20 years and has generated millions of dollars with his email campaigns. In his book, he reveals his counterintuitive approach to creating and running an online business, specifically the Freedom Lifestyle business model that allows you to build a sustainable and profitable long-term business that gives you freedom, fun, and adventure. The Secret Email System is not just a book. It's a complete package that includes 10 free, fast-action bonuses that will help you implement the system in the right order and get results faster. The Secret Email System works by creating a business machine that works for you 24/7, where your only job is to oversee the system, not to create products, services, or run ads. The system consists of 3 simple steps. Step 1. You find an offer that is already proven to sell well and has high conversions. Step 2. You send traffic to this offer using Matt's proven methods and strategies. Step 3. You collect commissions from every sale that is made through your email list. That's it. You don't have to worry about product creation, fulfillment, customer service, or any other headaches that come with running an online business. You just focus on building your email list and sending them valuable content and offers that they will love. The benefits of the Secret Email System are many. Here are some of them. You can start with a very low budget and scale up as you grow your list and profits. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection and a laptop. You can set your own schedule and work as much or as little as you want. You can leverage other people's products and services without having to create your own or deal with any hassles. You can build a loyal fan base that will buy from you again and again. You can enjoy the freedom, fun, and adventure that comes with having a successful online business. You might be wondering, how much does the Secret Email System cost and if it's worth it? Well, let me tell you this. The value of the Secret Email System is over $1,500 if you add up the price of the book and all the bonuses that come with it. But Matt is not charging you that much. In fact, he is not even charging you $100 or $50 or even $10 for it. He is practically giving it away for only $5.60. Yes, you heard me right. Only $5.60 for the whole package. That's less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Why is he doing this? Because he wants to help as many people as possible to achieve their online business goals and dreams. He knows that once you see the results from his system, you will become a raving fan and a loyal customer for life. Getting access to the Secret Email System is very easy and fast. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below this video or on the screen right now. That will take you to a secure order page where you can enter your details and complete your purchase. As soon as you do that, you will receive an email with your login information and instructions on how to access the book and all the bonuses instantly. You can start reading the book right away on any device and start implementing the system as soon as today. There is no waiting, no shipping, no hassle, just instant access to the Secret Email System and all the benefits that come with it. If you need any support or have any questions about the Secret Email System, you can contact Matt and his team anytime. They are always ready to help you and answer your queries. You can also join Matt's private Facebook community where you can interact with other users of the system, share your results, get feedback, and learn from each other. Matt is very active in the group and often shares valuable tips and insights that you won't find anywhere else. You will never feel alone or stuck with the Secret Email System. You will always have a support system and a mentor to guide you along the way. So, there you have it. The Secret Email System is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to build a seven-figure online business using nothing but ethical email marketing. It's a proven system that has worked for Matt and thousands of his students and clients. It's a simple system that anyone can follow and get results. It's a low-cost system that delivers high-value results. And it's a risk-free system that comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below this video or on the screen right now and get your copy of the secret email system today before the price goes up or the offer expires. Trust me, you won't regret it. This is the best investment you can make for your online business and your future. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the inside.